achievements, there have been certain things which have been disappointments, but how do you really counter this? And if the act is made, how it's going to really help India move forward? So I think what will, and as that perspective is there, we will actually come to the right questions, and I would make my notes to take it to the next level for the things, and then we can ask some questions to the audience, and then we can actually have some of the open session. So this perspective will go to Dr. Srinivasan, then we'll go to Rajiv Chiraka, we'll go to Mukesh ji, we'll go to Nishit, and we'll come to Nina at the last, because she actually is one of them who actually deals with every week. There are statistics that are shown to her through the TRP ratings, and she knows what kids are doing. So having this perspective, how she would actually react to the whole thing. So Subhashi, I would request to keep it at 3 minutes so that we can actually then get engaged into more constructive.
He wants me to speak in 3 minutes. The topic is intense, wide, and new. And I congratulate Ashish ji and all those जो मंच पे उपस्थित गुणीजन हैं कि आपने इसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया, because I especially came for this as a filmmaker and as an educationist, which always keeps me very key what kind of education we are giving to our children. And we can see the result of today, youth restlessness and disorientation of their own path to growth. So when the topic says India needs Kids Content Act, it means India, how we have grown. Why kids content is important and why act is important for the kids content. This has been thought very late, Ashish ji. I'm telling you this because in every culture, in every land, in every nation, the kid is the future of the country, and how you educate, evolve him as a human being or as a boy when he becomes 20, 30 and becomes the architect of this country. In that formative age, whom does he relate? His parents, whatever education they have, his school, and his school friends, and some few 5, 6 friends from their neighbors. And that is how we have grown up. But we have not grown up with the global thinking. We have been grown up with our own community, with our own streets, with our own schools, with our own parents, who had a very limited knowledge about the rest of the world, who had a very limited knowledge about our own culture, our own philosophy, that how kid must grow in his life to be a real architect of nation. And if you look at the importance, it is one of the most important subject and issue today. And I do not understand why the policy makers or the corporate broadcasters do not understand this. This is one of the very burning issue. I would say, I would take it on front first. Why we have the last 70 years. Leave aside the 5% brilliant and excellent people. 95% we have been mediocre, let us accept that. But if we want the India to be the global nation, and if you believe in Vasudeva Kutumbam, it means you should bring your own culture to the table of the global scenario. If you do not bring India in front of the global, you do not stand, you are one of them or you are an individual for them. If the Indian culture has said that we are one family in global family, but we are following all the time other countries, it's very sad to see that our television programs have nothing, we have no education that time when we were a child, that let me study about our Indian culture. We have 1,000, 10,000 stories in our Indian culture, in heritage. We have Chandrakanta Santati, Mahabharata. I was very sad in one of the functions when I asked one young college student, I said, do you know the name of father of, do you know the name of the father of Rama? Lord Rama? She did not know. She said, I think. It means she had graduated herself, she has done MBA and she doesn't know about it. Why? Because the kids have been speaking English, they have been influenced by all the expensive luxuries of the Western. They are going on different track altogether and they feeling doing your own culture is a downtown market. It is a bloody shit. It is not cool. Why? Because since childhood we have not infused, we have not educated them. So that is why this is the most important than any kind of education. That is why this act has to be brought. That is why the policy, because have to think, broadcasters have to think, CSR, people have to think that they have to make it a big part in their contributions for the kids' content. And how they are going to do? We have able people like Ashish ji hain, Mukesh ji hain, बहुत से अच्छे लोग हैं, वो करेंगे. But first let's understand the subject. If we want the growth of India, let us at least shape now the boy of 2030. 2030 में हमारा लड़का कैसा होगा उसको तो हम कर सकते हैं. हम तो आधे बर्बाद हो चुके हैं. इसीलिए रेस्टलेसनेस है, इसीलिए so many opinions हैं, because we have not been taught what is the values, what is our culture, how we were the richest people in our brain, through our mind, through our knowledge. We had so many Vedas written 4,000 years before any other religion came. We do not know our own religion. So that is the tragedy, and that is why I think this issue is very, I congratulate everybody who is really heading for this kind of issue, and I will be very happy to contribute anytime in my small bit, in my small role, whenever you need Ashish ji, I'm there. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. I think Mr. Subhash Ghai took all my words out. I have almost nothing to add. But being a teacher, whatever do we create that in children? I'm sure you all would know what a child's first years is much more than what a life will learn. If that is so crucial, the personality by the age of 8, imagination and being able to be creative, do our programs stand up? I don't know. Even if it is forever, how do we do that? Some way of saying you have to do this and this. Another point which we need to understand is, I think we don't do any course anywhere. Ensure what happens inside a house, so when the parents, at least they should be able to say, okay, this is good, this is not good. Second part is the ambience of the child, not what the child learns in the school, what the child learns in the academic skills. Thinking skills come from experience. And nowadays, children are getting digital experience. It is digital experience, we need to ensure that it is qualitative. And if we don't do this at that stage, we will have failures in the universities and Mr. Naidu, 80% of engineers are useless. So if you want to make sure you capitalize on the population we have and we are going to have, we need to have someone looking at it. And a person like me, I have sacrificed or put in a lot of effort in my life body of learning. I'm all willing to contribute. We have psychological studies, you have got about it. We can have parents coming in, comment on how they brought up their children. I don't want, like Mr. Subhash Ghai said, they don't know anything about our culture. If they have an iPad and one cell phone, it won't do that. When they hit a crisis in life, what would do is only the act which helps the parents, which helps the child native act, which will need to be criminal. We have to be imaginative and step forward, and I congratulate Ashish for somebody has to initiate something. Once he has
It's content act. But before that, I want to share a small story. So when I was a kid, around 7-8 years, I was a huge fan of Donald Duck, Spider-Man, Superman, and I wanted to meet characters. I went to my dad and I said, I want to meet Donald Duck. He said, you go to US. I said, okay, Superman will do. He said, US, Spider-Man, US. So I said, who's in India I would like to meet an Indian superhero, Indian character. So he said, at the moment, I think nobody as a kid, I knew that, okay, to meet God, you have to die. So I said, okay, then I can't meet them. So that remained very deeply in me for a long time, that but at some point, I would like to create an Indian superhero or Indian character with whom kids can connect. You don't need to, I mean, like when I started reading Archie's comics and different things, I was a great comic fan, Tintin fan. So a lot of times I didn't understand as a kid hamburger, and I had no clue. But of course, figured it out very soon. But there's so many things that we don't know terms and stuff, and the culture. I mean, in Archie comics, they talk about dates, so that was very exciting. When I would grow up, I can go on dates. So it is, so it's something, it's a different culture, which at that time isn't at all like this, what it is. 5 fingers, we have 5 fingers. Nothing special. I mean, today we're using the same. So I definitely want each and so this generation.
मैं पहले नहलाता था और कहती शिवम जल्दी करो स्कूल बस आ रही है and I used to हाँ मम्मी always आज भी वही situation. I'm talking about before 97. I found that we don't have a superhero and Batman, Superman, Spider-Man. I don't have a own superhero. And then I found out it is not so easy to superhero. You have to hang on the wire, you have to go to Sky. It is not just one satellite and उसके एक दिन में episode बना लिया. First episode about 21 days to make the first episode. So I agree with that and today also मैं आज भी हमारे बच्चे मैं ये बात जो मुझे 15 सालों से कह रहा हूँ अब मैं कह रहा हूँ सिर्फ एसआई का मैं चेयरपर्सन बन गया हूँ आज मैं 97 से पहले भी कहता था आज भी वही कहता हमारे कि बच्चे अगर देश को सुधारना इम्प्रूव द माइंडसेट ऑफ द कंट्री बच्चों को पकड़िए बच्चों की होती बड़ों में तर्क वितर्क होता है किंतु ये तो ठीक है किंतु ये तो ठीक है बच्चे की स्लेट खाली होती है उसमें आप जो दोगे वो उसको जिंदगी भर याद रखेगा इसलिए मैं बड़े पॉलिटिशियंस को कह चुका हूँ आप लोग बड़ों को पकड़ते हो मैं मुझे याद है वेंकैया जी ने एक बार वाजपेयी जी सिक्योरिंग आवर फ्यूचर गुड्स मेरे कैंपेनिंग में 15 ऐसे वेंकैया जी 3 बच्चों को एक में आपको सो मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि हमारे देश प्रधानमंत्री भी कहते हैं इवन राज जी ने भी कहा कहते हैं कि आगे जाकर हिंदुस्तान जो सबसे we will be the most used world. मैं एक कदम आगे बढ़कर एक सवाल बार-बार क्यों नहीं पूछता कोई ये क्यों नहीं कहता कि वो जो यूजेंगे वो कितने शक्तिशाली होंगे कितने शक्तिमान होंगे माफ करना आजकल के बच्चे इतने फास्ट इतने भाग रहे हैं they just run they don't know why they're running the else is running अगर हम नहीं पहुंचेंगे तो वो चीज वहां पर आपसे मालूम नहीं पड़ता कौन सी चीज उठाने के लिए आए थे but they are just running मैंने एक मेरे नेवी से बच्चे वो कहती है कि शक्तिमान मामू से मिलना चाहती है उसे की टीवी क्या है उसे ये नहीं पता कि शक्तिमान क्या है एक साथ बैठकर सास भी कभी बहू देख रही होती है बस माँ या तो किटी पार्टी में जाती है बाप का बच्चे बड़े होते आया के साथ मैं हमेशा माँ बाप से कहता हूँ बच्चों को दोस्त बनाइए वो क्या कर रहा है क्या नहीं कर रहा बच्चा पहले अपनी माँ से फिर अगर माँ बाप नहीं होते तो लैंग्वेज चेंज हो जाती है अरे अबे तबे उसकी शादी का पता नहीं है और वो सीरियल देख रही है जिसमें तुम्हारी शादी कैसे हुई आज चौथी क्लास में पढ़ा रहे माँ खुश होती है मेरा बच्चा हम अपने एक अगर आदमी there would have been no system of first one has to grow the mind has to grow वो बच्चा अगर 12वीं का नॉलेज लेगा तो या तो वो है या भ्रमित हो जाएगा he will not मैं हमेशा से कहता हूँ कि आज के बच्चों माँ उसको पकड़ के अपनी दुश्मन से निकालती है क्योंकि आजकल माओ में घुस गया है वो साड़ी का सफेद की कॉम्प्लेक्स घुस गया मेरा बच्चा 8 पर आया तो कान टकटकती पट ऊपर से बच्चों का इमेजिनेशन आज के बच्चे के पास फ्री टेलीविजन देख रहा होता है या फिर वो पोगो देख रहा होता है या फिर वो अपने डिजिटल देख रहा होता है देयर इज नो टाइम टू एंड देन देख भी जो रहा होता है वही बात में कुछ भी हम कंटेंट पेश करते हैं उनके सामने नॉन इंडियन इट इज नॉट This correctly said, Dashrath का नाम तक नहीं. There are nobody who is controlling what is descendants. महाभारत में कैरेक्टर बदल कोई ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं देता उसके बारे में. और धर्म में करके दिखाओ तो तलवारें निकल आएंगी. देखो भीष्म पितामह जाके सीधा सत्यवती को पूछा कभी नहीं पूछा था बाप के पास गया था इसमें बाप ही कहीं ना कहीं there is no control on what has been shown. जैसे आपकी महाभारत अच्छी थी ये महाभारत नहीं वो तो चेंज किया उसका ऑब्जेक्शन क्यों नहीं आप उसको बॉडी बिल्डर बना दिया गया है. So there are lots of things of some kind because पहले जैसे मैंने कहा फिर आया से सीखता, स्कूल जाता है, टीचर से सीखता, दोस्त से सीखता, माँ बाप को जानना चाहिए। आप सैटेलाइट ऊपर से आता है, आप उसको बंद नहीं कर सकते, पर तो बंद कर सकते हैं पुत्र। क्या दोस्त बना रहा है, चलिए, क्योंकि माँ बाप के पास वक्त नहीं होता। Ashish has raised a point that they should have to ask questions. Why are you showing this? Like we have Ramayana, we have Mahabharata, we have Chandrakanta, we have भारत पे आप 100 फिल्में बना सकते हैं, इतनी है उसके अंदर। एक जमाने में सलीम जाकर बैठ के फिल्में देखते थे वीडियो पे। आज कोई जरूरत नहीं है, आपके पास महाभारत है, आपके पास कैरेक्टर्स है, बट who and the children content, दो प्रॉब्लम्स मुझे दिखती है। एक सकता है जैसे हमारे फिल्म चलती नहीं है, मैं कहता हूँ ये सब फ्री आते हैं, आप बच्चों को पकड़िए कंटेंट व्हिच दे शुड वॉच, एंटरटेन आल्सो। मेरे CFSI का यही प्रॉब्लम पीछे, वो 250 फिल्मों के लिए मुझे कभी कोई जगह है, हमको चाहिए, या तो फिर वो कंटेंट जो है स्कूलों में जाके उनको देता है, बच्चा बैठ के देखता है। की फिल्म वो बनेगी जो थिएटर में जाएगी। टिकट शुड बी बॉट टू वॉच द फिल्म। जो अवार्ड देते हैं, समोसा खाते खाते अवार्ड देते हैं, टिकट नहीं आते। मैं संतोष सिवन को कहा, मैंने कहा संतोष, you don't know who संतोष सिवन is. I am not interested in rewards because ये इंस्टीट्यूशन वाला 56 से शुरू हुआ, ये हमसे अलग कौन है? लेकिन जिसके लिए बनाई गई है वहाँ चित्रों में पहुंची तो चुनिंदा स्कूलों में पहुंची। Never bothered to release the film. I think that is difficult. Digital medium है, फिल्म नहीं है। ये एक्ट ऐसा बने जिससे become शक्तिमान and get things done from the mainstream। 9 महीने पहले एंटर किया है जिंदगी में पहला मीटिंग that nothing moves unless the fly get the answer, do it and let's do it। I am calling for kids, I always say Mukesh का टॉवर है पूरा। आप अगर यहाँ पर ऐसे ना, we have the less enterprising nature as far as the kids content is concerned, and that has to be changed. More money has to be put in. Now people have to prove, like in TV I prove कि बच्चे की सीरियल चल सकती है, बच्चों का सुपर हीरो चल सकता है, क्योंकि मेरे बच्चों के लिए लोग छोटी चीज बनाते हैं। मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ बच्चों के लिए बड़ों को बड़ों चीज बनानी चाहिए। That's what I made Shaktiman and I am today repeating it. But again I say, पैसा कौन डालेगा? हर प्रोड्यूसर डरता है। हमारे यहाँ एक संतोषी माँ बनती है, 10 संतोषी माँ लगती है। एक सास भी कभी बहू बनती है तो 50 सास भी कभी बहू बनती है। One has to prove a children film hit, or as Bheem is hit, as Shaktiman was hit, somebody has to prove. But that again is कि मैं किसी प्रोड्यूसर को पकड़ के नहीं बोल सकता। I'm telling it CFSI, आप आइए, आप 2.5 करोड़ लगाइए, 2.5 करोड़ मैं लगाता हूँ, चलो 5 करोड़ की फिल्म बनाते हैं। हमारे यहाँ पर बजट सिर्फ 10 करोड़ मिलता है, which is absolutely insufficient। मुझे तो राज्यसभा के मेंबर्स मिले थे, उन्होंने कहा मुकेश जी 5 करोड़, मैंने कहा मैं 10 का 25 करोड़ 20 करोड़ करना चाहता हूँ। He said 5 करोड़ हमारी तरफ से ऐड कर दीजिए मुकेश जी, बच्चों का कंटेंट।
110 करोड़ मांग रहे हैं
हम यहाँ पे 110 करोड़ मांग रहे हैं, which is the right amount.
every year for 10 years।
मेरे 5 joint ventures अटक गई हैं because we don't have the clause in CFSI to make a joint venture, जिनमें आशीष जी की भी है। 3 एनिमेशन फिल्में मैंने ओके कर दी थी, 2.5 हम लगाए, 2.5 आप लगाइए। लास्ट मोमेंट में मालूम पड़ा NFDC के पास क्लॉज है जॉइंट वेंचर का, आपके पास नहीं है। ऐसे व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट? आपको ग्रो करना है तो जॉइंट वेंचर्स इज द ओनली प्रोपोजिशन। इसलिए मैं प्रोड्यूसर्स पैसे लगाने को तैयार है। मेरे टचवुड within this 9 months there are people who want to, Neeraj Pandey wants to make, Anupam Kher wants to make, Rajkumar Santoshi wants to make। The moment he found कि आप हमारे साथ जुड़ सकते हैं, मैंने कहा आओ। पर इससे ज्यादा काम किया जा सकता है from the level of government। जो आप कर रहे हैं, पैसे दीजिए, एक्ट बनाइए, make things easy for a producer of children film to make a children film। उनके माइंडसेट को दीजिए। आप सब्सिडी देते हो, अगर आपके यूपी में शूट करो तो आप सब्सिडी देते हो, बाहर की कंट्री में शूट करते हो तो फैसिलिटी देते हैं। आप बोलिए चलिए आप चिल्ड्रन फिल्म बनाइए, हम आपको सब्सिडी देते हैं। आप एंटरटेनमेंट टैक्स माफ कर दीजिए बच्चों के लिए, बिकॉज बच्चों के कंधों पर हमारे देश का भविष्य टिकने वाला है। अगर वो कंधे मजबूत नहीं होंगे तो हमारा देश कभी भी सुपर पावर बनकर नहीं बढ़ सकता। सो फॉर किड्स एवरीबॉडी इज रेडी। गवर्नमेंट विल टेक टाइम, बट गवर्नमेंट इज रियलाइजिंग। आपने बहुत अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन किया, मैंने पढ़ा आपका प्रेजेंटेशन। दिस प्रेजेंटेशन स्टार्ट थिंकिंग ऑफ किड्स फिल्म और